Back to this Triumph, folks. Just prying this tranny trapdoor or whatever you want to call it, the half or the covers over there, and then you got this other piece. So you got these locating dowels, or where the fuck is my finger? In here. There's a few of them. So there's one here. So you just gotta wiggle it off. It's a bitch. As you can see, this one's super crustified. So these you gotta take off. You want it to come all the way off. So remove these. I just left them on there so I don't lose my nuts and bolts. People move shit. So it's about to come off. See what we have here in 2 seconds. See if I can just pull it off. Nope, I'm gonna have to work at it a little more. Get it all around here. Well, I'll stop filming and I'll get back to when it sits off, but you can see it's coming. Alright, right now. I got one gear in the way. Anyway, I'm gonna get to pulling this tranny out. I gotta get to the. I still gotta get this sprocket off, this clutch pulled off, and then all this will come out real easy. So got this shaft right here. It's just riding in right in here in this, and then the other shaft goes all the way through, runs off your sprocket and your clutch basket and all that. You can see I got one finger in there, so we go. I'll try and remove this. Okay, get this, pop that off. It's supposed to be threaded like a puller tool. So. That's good on the clutch basket. See that last gear back there, how it's not spinning? This gear isn't on anything. That's why it's just spinning. Got this rusty finger out of there. It slides these gears around. If you spin the basket, you'll see this. You see what's spinning right here, right? If I go in here, you got this sprocket, right? Clutch basket all torn apart, right? So if I start spinning this, right, you'll see what will spin. That back one back there, all of a sudden it's spinning. There's a little smaller gear in the back that it's on. Right now, this is. I can grab this and move it around. It's about to come out, basically. See back in there. It's just catching up right here on this gear right here. If I could line these teeth up, maybe to the side, I'd be able to pull it out of here, but that isn't happening. Still need that specialty tool to pop this off because it's on taper. All these rollers will come out. Then you can get behind here and you see there's a big nut here behind the sprocket. over here, up in here, get an impact and shoot that off. Take this sprocket off, then all this shit will come out. This other shaft gonna move back and forth in here. One that I was grabbing is counter on the main lathe shaft or counter shaft, whatever you want to call it. It sits in here, and then the other one's straight into this box. You got one and there, one and another right there. So one and another right here. So anywho, right. So I want to pull this out, this stator, this rotor, whatever the stator. I got these wires that just pull on this, it'll come out, but all these butt connectors on the end here are in the way. All this wire is old and probably need to get a new stator anyway, so I'm going to snip these as low as I can. You know, whatever. Snip them all, so there's one. Another. Another. Last one. Oops. I should have just grabbed that. Don't grab this shit up here. You never know, you might be able to use this again. I doubt it though, but so you see, grab up here. Just pull on this fucking bitch. Let me lock this down. Lock down. Just grab the shit. Pull all those wires. You see, the shit's all, I just snipped those wires, and now I can just, oh, come on. There it all came out. Ta-da. So now that shit's out of the way. That was some funky shit that came out with it. I don't have that dangling in my way anymore. Get a deep socket on there. Take this off if I want. Just whatever. So, gross. No use. Alright, I'm going to try and get this clutch hub off. I got to get to this tranny. You got to get this nut out back here. It's not on the sprocket. You have to pull this whole basket off. Oh. When I bought the bike, the tranny, he already took like the previous owner already took apart like a bunch of the tranny, so these are all the parts. They're all like super rusted up when I got them, so I'm just letting them kind of spray them with some like stuff, liquid wrench, see what I can do, loosen some of the stuff up. So this is the specialty tool right here, screws in here, and yeah, so anyway, kid wanted her TV show, the guide taken off. Anyway, so all these are going to come falling out once you start racking this off, so just throw the stuff in Ziploc bags so don't lose them, you know. These little magnet, pull them out as they come, start to loosen out and stuff like that. So it's been on here pretty long, it's sat outdoors, so it's all rusty and it's kind of being a pain to come off, so I use this impact. If you have the air, if this gets crazy, if that won't do the job, then I'm going to throw that big bad boy on there, the end of this, and that'll definitely do it, you know, all this air. So, but this seems to be doing the job. It's just slow process. Ready.